expect that. Yeah, thanks for reposting all the LinkedIn stuff. As I said, I do a short introduction about the Swiss Network User Group meeting, or how we call it, CHNUG, right? Maybe a few words about myself. So I think 8 years ago, I decided to do the step and join the university. And right now, I'm a teacher. There are some students here, who took my courses. I'm also a researcher, and I'm also try to hack a few things in my free time, or even at my work if you want to connect. So here is my LinkedIn. I also can show you that, but I guess most of the people already know me. Yeah, by the way, my name is Severin. But it shouldn't be about me. If you have any questions, just hit me up. I'm here until the end. Maybe a few words about my employer. I work for the Institute for Network and Security. So it's a research institute at the Eastern Switzerland University of Applied Science, so the Ost University. And currently we have like 3 pillars. We have network, cloud, and security. And obviously I'm working in the network department, and we try to work on fancy things. So network observability is a big topic for us, and right now, and also for the next few years. So this is our direction where we want to go. And obviously, AI. There is no slide without AI, so we solve the problems with AI, obviously. So most importantly, this meeting, so this first meetup for this community, is sponsored by the Institute. They sponsored the room and also the beer and snacks. So for those who don't know yet, there is a fridge. Just go there, grab your beer. We should have enough. There's also some snacks. And we will kick off the apro after 3 interesting talks. So regarding the important things, so I think back in September, I decided to create this community, which is called Swiss Network User Group. So we searched for a good name. I don't know if you found one. But anyway, if we go back to that, so how did it start? So I have some colleagues working in the cloud space, and they have these fancy Kubernetes meetups and programming language, Go meetups whatsoever. And I really liked the idea to have like a meetup. And so I was searching for, do we have a network-related meetup? So if you put in network in Zurich, trust me, it has nothing to do with computer networks. And so I wrapped my head around, how about creating a network community meetup? And so it's really important for me that it should be this meetup style. Obviously, I know CHNUG, and this is not, I don't want to replace CHNUG or so. Actually, I'm in close contact with the orga team of CHNUG. So, and then I just asked around internally, hey, I had this idea in mind, so how about planning a meetup? So first in Rapperswil, since we work a lot about, or in the topics of network automation, operations, observability, I just thought this would be a cool idea. And I asked in the network automation forum, where we have like a special channel for Switzerland, hey, who is interested in that? And most importantly, hey, I also asked my boss, we would sponsor the beer. And then there are some, upvotes. I think this is a good idea. And we just created this LinkedIn group, this CHNUG group, and we invited some people we thought might be interested. And there we are today. How is it going? We have more than 30 official registrations. It turns out that people still not have LinkedIn, so we are considering to move on or to move to another platform. Also, it's quite interesting. We have more than 10 different companies. So we have vendors here, we have hosting providers, we have service providers whatsoever, and also some people from the academia. So see, I really want to make that open for everyone who is interested in networking. After that, we have 3 interesting talks and also an apero. So we already kind of started with the apero, but I think this is good. Yeah. So to the agenda. So I hope I don't need 15 minutes, but I will introduce the group and everything, what I have in mind. And then Misha will talk about container lab and network observability related to it. Oh, no, sorry, network observability stack from the students. So we will introduce you or talk a little bit more about the GNP. Then Misha with the building digital twins with container lab. And we have Init 7 here, Thomas Fritz. I don't know where he's. Yeah, I'm sure he will arrive, hopefully. And yeah, at around about 8 o'clock, we'll start with the Apero. So I also prepared some Q&A session because right now I think we don't know where it leads us to. We just wanted to kick that off and we see where it goes. So what is the primary goal of the CHNUG? So we just want to establish a community to have like a regular exchange in the field of networking. And so this is important to me. It should be different network-related topics. So it should be enterprise networking, data center networking, not only to internet service provider IXP stuff. Because I really think if you have something to contribute there, probably CHNUG is the right place. So how often are the meetups planned? So I think it's a good idea to have that regularly. So the goal would be to have it once per quarter. So for those who are not good at math, so this is 4 times a year. Yeah, we'll find out. So if you do the math, the next meeting should be around March. I will show you a formula afterwards, probably during the Apero. It would be nice if you can fill that out just to check if the next date would work for you. And there are also some other questions, yeah, giving us a hint what we can do better next time and so forth. Yeah. So is it restricted to a specific networking topic? As I said, so I want to open that. Obviously, we are really, right now, we are really focused about network observability and automation. But as you see in the agenda, we have a lot of different topics now and hopefully also in the future. Is the group only for network professionals? No, just look at me. No, it's open to anyone who is interested in networking. Also, I think it's a good mix right now. We have students here, we have professionals here. So let's see where it leads us. Is there any event location fixed? So I already had talks. No, I don't want to have it, or I mean, we can do it every time in Rapperswil, which is okay. But we have people here from Basel, and I'm quite sure they would prefer if it's in Zurich. Just, yeah, for obvious reasons. Yeah. So if someone wants to host the next one, yeah, just ping me and I'm sure we will find a solution there. Then build presentations on the resources shared. So we try to record it. So Urs is the man there. Hopefully it works. We're giving our best. But yeah, the goal is that we record the sessions and also that the slides are shared. Obviously, only if the presenters are willing to. And yeah, so I don't like marketing or sales slides. I think it's not the right place. So you really want to share technical and educational stuff. Obviously, a little bit marketing is good. If someone wants to put his name on the slides, I'm willing to talk about sponsors since, yeah, as I said, the institute is sponsoring the food and the location, and maybe next time it's a company. So, as I said, if you have questions, suggestions, something else, just let me know via mail. I'm here during the Apero, also LinkedIn. And I also will show that again. So there's the feedback during the Apero. So it would be nice if you can scan that. There's Microsoft Forms. And yeah, you don't have to leave your email and name there. If you want, you can. And yeah, I think that's it from my side. Is there any question?
Out of curiosity, what overlap do you see with CHNUG?
Yeah, to be honest, my idea is that the CHNUG people also come here if they're interested in the talks, right? But as I said, I don't want to kind of attack them or so. Because I don't know. I presented the CHNUG every time the last 4 years, so I'm also seeing myself as a community. But I talked also to Simon from the Orga team, and they are really focused about the internet, which leads us to internet service provider and IXPs. And I think this is very important. But if someone talks about data center network, then probably he doesn't go to CHNUG, or he doesn't understand the technologies there. But I think here I want to create a space where you can talk just about everything. And there will also be a question in the forum: should we do like network-related days? So for example, meeting 3 is related to ISP, IXP stuff, where the CHNUG people also can join if they're interested. Or maybe the 4th one is regarding network automation or whatsoever. I don't have an answer there yet. I also want to get the feedback from the community. I want to grow naturally and just have a good time, right? Drink a beer with people who share the same interests as me. I hope that answers the question.
To understand expectations, basically.
Yeah.
I don't think they need to be different. If your CHNUG is once or twice a year, this is an opportunity to do something a little bit more regular.
Yeah, exactly.
There's space for both to exist, and I don't think it needs to be a problem that they don't overlap. What they do, it's great. It's more opportunity to chat.
Right, is to understand differentiation or.
Yeah, I want to have the differentiation about the topics, and also they have like this day conference, right? So for us, it's like 2-hour, 3-hour meetups. So the style is different, but also we can discuss as a community if we want to do like to integrate or to align it with CHNUG. I have a talk with Simon next week about. I also invited him here. He can unfortunately not be here today, but yeah, we will see very clearly. And I think John mentioned a good point. Just to have like these quarterly meetups is a good thing to us to even have more or share the knowledge even more. All right, then I think I will get it to the next topic, to the GNP stack, and then actually I'm looking very forward. Those are 3 students of mine, and I did not see the results yet, so it's also new to me. Exactly, so